Hello guys, very good morning one and all. Welcome to PVR Info. This is Ram. In previous session we discussed about how to behave in HR round, right? HR round of interview means human resource round, right? In that HR round, how should we behave and how should we have to give answer? These are the main important things, right? Now here in this interview session, of course there are a lot of rounds are there, depends on company, right? Aptitude and group discussion and jam sessions and HR round. Now HR round particularly, the grooming is, I told you already, right? In yesterday's session, in previous, I told you about dressing, right? Dressing also, our spontaneity skills, way of talking and body language, eye contact, facial expression and tone of voice. These are very important. It makes or it plays a vital role in every interview. Wherever you go for interview, these are very important. Depends on that interview session, then depends on the position and depends on the job role, job description. We have to use our way of talking. Language skills are very important, should not expose everywhere. We have to use sometimes simple English, sometimes we have to talk in professional way, like we need to use some accent. So these are the skills, and here accent means, I would like to say one more point here. An important point is accent means we have to just know about the silent letters and vowels and consonants, where we have to stress, where we should not stress. These are very important in this strength way of talking, right? Because depends on our way of talking only, it gives a good look or good official way to our talk. Some people, they are like professionally, dressing style is nice, but why when they are talking, they used, it means their mother tongue influences or it dominates more than their dressing. So that's why we can manage our outside appearance, but we cannot manage our inside appearance. That means inbuilt appearance is there, we should know, we cannot make it. So here we have to just change ourselves, have to just motivate ourselves into that way. That is called adaptability. We have to adjust to the situations and we have to change according to the situation. We have to just mold ourselves according to that situation. That is called very important in HR sessions, because depends on companies or depends on jobs, software and hardware, or government jobs, in different positions are there. In that according to our position, we have to just manage towards to that HR, right? Here now in this HR, which type of question they may ask, let me explain you. In this HR session, first one is self details. Self introduction is very important. How to introduce ourselves, it makes very important role in HR session, and we can make them impress in a particular way by using these self details. And resume is also very important. Resume writing is very important in this session, right? Because we have to submit the resume. From that resume only they may ask lot of questions. We have to just use that resume for our future, because it maximum it changes our future. If you want to get more package, we have to just put the resume in that proper way. And because in the resume only whatever you mention, we must be very clear. If you mention about your hobbies this, or if you mention about your experience, and when they ask about that, it should be match. Then only we can make them impress, we can make them understand in a proper way. They can also believe us. If they have to believe us, so the only one and only way is resume. Here the format of resume should be very important. How to use that and rules and regulations also I will let you know in the further video. Now self details are very important. These two are placing a vital role in every interviews. It plays a very important role. Now let me explain you self details and HR resume writing. Then after that, which type of question they may ask you, I will make you just understand about brief introduction about HR session, which type of question. The self details is common in, if you are a fresher, these are common questions, self details. And okay, why should I hire you? Why should I hire you? Or why should I recruit you? And next one is, why you choose this company, or why this company? You can just let me understand you, why this company. What is your salary expectation? Next one. Okay, if you are in my position, this is a very important question. If you are in my position, what will you do for company growth? That means if you are the boss of the company, what will you do for company growth? Okay, and one more thing is, if you are right as an employee, how can you contribute yourself for company growth? And are you ready to relocate? Are you ready for rotational shift? Right? And if you are a BTech graduate at a you are a BTech graduate. So if you are a BTech graduate person, then why do you choose this type of job? Right? This is also very important. Why do you want to come into this field? You are from BTech background, right? Why do you want to come into civils, or why do you want to come into software? Like specially why Java? Why Java, or why Java, or why C language, why Oracle, why SAP? Why do you want to be a consultant? What is the reason? Do you have an inspiration or role model? Right? These are common questions. Even I have prepared total 46 questions for HR round sessions. Means wherever you go, the maximum they can ask you from this 47 only. How can you handle the pressure situation? These are one of the best questions. And how can you handle the pressure? How can you say you are an adaptable person? And how can you say you are a positive attitude person? How can you prove you are a positive attitude person? Then how to answer that question, and everything I will let you know in the further videos, because first you have to understand which type of questions they may ask you. For example, if you take now we are talking, or we are just preparing, okay, for interview. If you take just example, now you are preparing for interview, tomorrow you will be your interview. Now before that, once we have to check our resume, right? From this resume, which type of questions they may ask, that thing we have to just prepare itself. That is the simple technique. First we have to follow that. Check your resume. Okay, no need to ask anyone or something. You just check your resume and make some points. Okay, from this, what is your technical experience, or what is your tech support or software profile? Tell me about your software profile. Tell me about your personal life. What are your hobbies? These are common questions we can easily. What is your greatest weakness? This is very important question. What is your greatest weakness? Okay, then next one, what is your strength? What is your greatest weakness? How do you overcome? That is also very important. Okay, now let me explain you about from resume only, because whatever you mention in resume, tell me about your academics. Why did you take this type of subject or group or branch in this graduation? Why did you take this type of stream in your graduation? Like everything is important, because if you are doing like electronics, okay, ECE, if you are from BTech computer science background for example, then if you are going into software, then they may ask you about Java or C language or something. You are going to into interview, right? Then why did you take computer science engineering in graduation? Who made you to take, or what made you to take, right? What made you to take CSE group in engineering? Like that they may ask you one question, so you have to be answered, you have to be responsible for this question. These are the common questions everywhere they ask you in interviews. This is about this simple and shortcut tips for your interview session, but I will let you know about these 46 questions and with answers in further videos. And resume writing also, it plays a vital role, and self details also very important. Resume writing is like you have to just prepare a resume or curriculum vitae. It is totally different from self details. Self details means it should be in limit, and we have to just orally we have to present self details. This is totally written. And here for making the resume, we have to just, some rules and regulations are there, we have to just follow that way. And self details means there is a some time limit is there, some points we have to use and some points we should not use, because some points if you use, HR means they may ask you other question from whatever you said the answer. Okay, whatever we say the answer, from that they will make a question. So that is the meaning of HR. So we should be very careful in HR sessions. In interview sessions, everybody should be responsible and spontaneity should be important. Mind should be very sharp and active, so that you can easily crack the HR round wherever you go for. It is not only about communication but also about discrimination. We should be very ease or very activeness towards to the HR. We should not be more excitement also, should be cool and normal. Maximum people there, so that's why I told you there are three types of different people are there. Some people they are like maximum like more excitement people are there. Yes sir, yes we are, I need to know about that, like that they are showing that attitude, like excitement. And some people they knew everything but still they are silent. If the HR ask anything, they are still, means okay, let them ask, or until they ask the question they are keep quiet, like that. But some people, if they don't know anything, they don't have any knowledge, but still they are like showing, like acting in front of HR. This type of three people are there, but we should not be the three, we have to be four. The fourth point is we have to follow, we should have the knowledge, and we should be cool, and we should be polite, we should be keep normal, and don't be more interact or don't be less interact, just be normal person. Hi, yes sir, hello sir, good morning. Tell me, if they ask, whenever they ask the question, we should be given the answer. The answer should not be in one word, should be just elaborating, should not be like one word answer. If you give one word answer, it gives if it reflects in a negative way. So you should not be giving a one word answer, we have to just give the answer in some elaborative way. That means one sentence, like a sentence, it should not be more also. Once if they ask any question, means if we make it like 10 minutes or 5 minutes answer, means they may get bored or they may lose their interest. So just give in a proper way, it should be like a sentence or two sentences, that would be better, so they may get some understand. And whatever you say the answer, we should be very clear with that, they should not make any question from that. That means we should not give chance to HR, okay, should not give chance to HR, that is the main important point here. Once we give the chance to HR, they may play with us, they may ask a lot of questions, from that only we cannot come out from the situation. Okay, some people maximum they may say a lot of different answers, so from that only they'll make again one more question. Recently even one of my friends, he is working as a project lead, okay, for one of the best companies in Bangalore. So even as I knew that, he took an interview for 1 hour or 1.5 hours, right, for technical. Even I have listened or I have heard, I have seen that situation. Because of that other person, like opposite person, even on call, on phone in interview he took, at that time he asked a lot of questions. He started with different things, but he came with again basics. So a lot of things, this is not from his side, because of the opposite person's answers or reactions, that because of that response only, he might have asked a lot of questions. So that is the situation is going on everywhere. If you give chance to HR, they are automatically they will play with us. So should not give chance to HR, just go in a normal way, just keep cool, and whatever they ask just give, should not be one word answer, just give in a normal way everything, whatever you feel. Then you should be okay, I have to give my best, and this job is for me, and 100% I need to get this job. This mindset we should have, then only we can get easily job. Okay, always keep going in your mind, this is my last job, I have to, this opportunity is for me only, I need to get job. Okay, this type of mindset we have to create ourselves, so automatically we can get success in our life. Okay, this is about today video. I will let you know about self details and resume writing and HR questions, 46 questions with answers. Okay, this all I will let you know in further videos. Okay, if you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel PVR Info. Thank you so much.